Hi, this is Kim from Sage Online, and I'm going to show you how to highlight and unhighlight your course. First off, you're going to want to make sure that your course is set up instead of in a weekly format, that it's set up in a topics format. And you do that by clicking Edit Settings. And you go under Course Format, and you want to make sure that this reads Topics. And we're going to save and display. And now with editing turned on, you can go down to the next topic and you can click on Edit and you can click to highlight a topic, and then you can click it and you can remove the highlight. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call, 518-244-4580, or you can email us at sageonline@sage.edu. Thank you and have a good day.